Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Welcome to an EVS Home School. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal University School, Morning Shift. Today I'm going to take an Islamic Studies class for class 2, and our today's topic is M.C.Q, that means multiple choice question from 1 to 8. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 8 and SW number 8. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will learn 8 MCQ from 1 to 8. My dear students, so let's start. At first, look at the board. My dear students, here I have written 8 multiple choice question 1 to 8. Okay, my dear student, let's start. Number 1 is, who knows about the total numbers of propers? Who knows about the total number of propers? My dear students, here are two options. We have to choose one option. What will be the answer? Yes, answer will be Almighty Allah, because only Almighty Allah knows about the total numbers of propers. In this regard, answer will be Almighty Allah. So here is given the tick mark, number 1, Almighty Allah. Now number 2, some people call him Jesus. Who is he? Some people call him Jesus. Who is he? What will be the answer? Here are two options, Musa alayhi salam and Isa alayhi salam. Yes, answer will be number 2, Isa alayhi salam. Isa alayhi salam, because some people call him Jesus. My dear students, the Christian call Hazrat Isa alayhi salam Jesus. In this regard, answer will be Isa alayhi salam. My dear students, I would like to clear one thing here. Isa alayhi salam is not a son of God. He is a prophet of Allah only. He is a prophet of Allah only. Now, my dear students, number 3, the mother of Isa alayhi salam was, what will be the answer? Number 1, Maryam alayhi salam, and number 2, Asiya alayhi salam. Yes, you know that the mother of Isa alayhi salam was Maryam alayhi salam. In this regard, answer will be 1. Option 1, Maryam alayhi salam. Now, number 4, my dear students, Allah gave Isa alayhi salam a holy book which is called, Allah gave Isa alayhi salam a holy book which is called, what will be the answer? 1 or 2, Tawrat or Injil? Yes, answer will be option number 2, Injil. Answer will be Injil. Now, number 5, my dear students, how many verses are there in Surah Fil? How many verses are there in Surah Fil? Yes, you know that there are 5 verses in Surah Fil. In this regard, answer will be option number 2, 5. So here is the answer, option number 2, 5. Now, my dear students, number 6, paying of zakah makes the dash pure. What will be the answer? Wealth or house? Paying of zakah, you know that, my dear students, paying of zakah makes the wealth pure. In this regard, answer will be option 1, wealth. Option 1, wealth. Now, number 7, which Arabic month is full of blessings? Which Arabic month is full of blessings? Yes, you know that undoubtedly the month of Ramadan is full of blessing. In this regard, answer will be option number 1, Ramadan. Now, my dear students, last one, number 8. How many times do the pilgrims walk around the Kaaba? How many times do the pilgrims walk around the Kaaba? My dear students, you know that if someone would like to go to perform Hajj to Makkah, then he has to perform Tawaf, and he has to or she has to walk around the Holy Kaaba 7 times. In this regard, answer will be 7. Option 2, 7. How many times do the pilgrims walk around the Kaaba? Answer will be 7. Alhamdulillah, my dear students, today we have learned 8 MCQ from 1 to 8. My dear students, you will make SW at your home like this pattern. You will pick up the number like that, then you will write the answer like that. Number 1, who knows about the total numbers of prophets? Then you will write answer Almighty Allah. Almighty Allah. Like that, you will write the number 2, 3, 4 and 5. You will make SW at your home as SW number 8 MCQ 1 to 5. 1 to 5. You will pick up the number, then you will write the answer only. from 1 to 5. Okay, my dear students. My dear students, that's all for today. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.